Hey guys, James with TFBTV here at TriggrCon 2023 at the SAR Firearms booth. We've got a couple of new handguns. Well, first, Raul, tell me about SAR.
Yeah. So SAR Firearms is an American company, and we are distributing the SAR9 line, and we have a variety of other firearms that we have been importing since 2018. And we are just trying to let everybody know about our new Gen 3 SAR9.
Tell me all about it.
So the new Gen 3 SAR9s started with the compact, the compact, full size, and our sport. On our Gen 2, we have our subcompact. So these is our newest product is right now, and all of them have similar features, as in they're all cut for RMSC. They all have a aluminum flat face trigger. They all have lightning cuts with some cooling cuts on there for nice aggressive, so you can rack them from the front or the back. It has a nice texture around the optic there, and we have accessories for them. All are available to use with a threaded barrel, so you can put either a compensator or you can use a suppressor on there. And they're super flat shooting. They're rated for NATO ammo, so they were built to shoot with 124 NATO, so they like the hot stuff. And there's just a very comfortable ergonomic grip that is really easy pointing and naturally, it's a natural aim. Once you grab it and you just want to look at whatever you're looking at, once you looked at, brought the gun up to it, and then you look through, you're already on it.
Let's say I'm not familiar with the SAR9 series of pistols. You did a great job of giving me a rundown of the features that you've got here, but tell me about the pistol itself. How did it come about? What is it?
So the SAR9 is a NATO pistol that was built for the Turkish military. So the military Turkish police uses our SAR9, and they're just a combat proven weapon that has been tested to. We had this one gun, and it was 150,000 rounds through one gun.
Mm-hmm. So I refuse to believe that. You had 150,000 rounds.
150 is possibly the most rigorously tested handgun on the market. It's 150,000 rounds, and there was absolutely no issues, no having to change any parts with one pistol. So it's just a platform that has been in the market, like I said, since 2018 in the United States. Before that, it was imported through other brands, but as SAR 2018 and above, and it's a striker-fired, polymer-framed handgun that is just to me, it's just a great gun. I know.
So if I want to pick one of these up, how do I get one? How much do they cost, and when can I get one?
So the range starts at $450 for the SAR9, $450 to $550, and it varies on color and whatnot. But also in this same range is possibly our most well-known model right now, which is the SOCOM. The SOCOM is based on the SAR9, but it includes a threaded barrel, which is half 28, normal threads on there. It includes your mag well. The base plates are aluminum, and it includes a 21-round mag on there too. All the sights are night vision, night sights on all of them. Even on our basic pistol, ships with the night sights. And this one is $499. Right now, online will be Sportsman Warehouse is probably our best bet for online. Distributors have them. And on the Gen 3s, we expect for the full shipment to be in somewhere in the end of October.
To close this out, level with me. Why would I get a SAR9 versus one of the more conventional compact firearms like a Glock or a Smith & Wesson or a SIG? Why should I look at a SAR?
Its construction, while similar to other striker-fire pistols, it doesn't have any of the steel components embedded in its plastic. So it's the internal frame that it holds on to the slide. They're very accurate, and they're unaffected by temperature, or at least during our testing. And I think that other than that, its ergonomics is probably what's going to sell it on you, because once you hold on to it, you know that you're holding on to a high-quality firearm.
Raul, thank you so much for walking me through this pistol. Guys, thanks as usual for watching TFBTV. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from TriggrCon 2023.
Thank you.